House retractable 3-story fire escape ladder, 25 feet, best of the year 2024. This innovative lifesaver ensures safety with its retractable design, spanning 3 stories effortlessly. In emergencies, every second counts, and this ladder ensures a swift escape. With a focus on quality and reliability, House has redefined fire safety equipment. Watch on for essential insights. Crafted from robust aluminum, this ladder boasts unparalleled durability, capable of supporting weights up to 1,000 pounds. Its slip-resistant rungs ensure a stable foothold, allowing for a swift and secure descent to safety. And with its 25-foot length, it's tailor-made for escape from 3-story buildings. What sets the House retractable fire escape ladder apart is its retractable hooks, expertly designed to latch onto window frames or sills with unwavering stability. Whether it's a raging fire or any other unforeseen crisis, rest assured, this ladder will be your steadfast ally. This ladder comes ready to use straight out of the box, no assembly or tools required. And when not in use, its compact design allows for easy storage under a bed or near a window, courtesy of its accompanying red canvas bag. However, it's not just about owning the ladder, it's about being prepared. We strongly recommend familiarizing yourself with its deployment within your household. Practice makes perfect, and in emergencies, every second counts. While the ladder is designed for single-use emergency situations, its testing may leave markings on surfaces. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, but one worth noting nonetheless. Safety is an ongoing commitment. To ensure peak performance, we advise replacing the ladder every 3 years, regardless of use. It's a proactive measure that could make all the difference when it matters most. Invest in your safety today and equip yourself with the tools necessary to face the unexpected with confidence. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.